Look as this parrot gives the dog a food from the bowl. It's very adorable as they share food, even though they are not in the same food chain. It's good to see them get along together.
Thank you, Parrot. Nom nom nom. Give me more, please.
Okay, I'll give you more. Just don't eat me, okay?
I'll try.
Look as this dog stops his fur daddy from drinking.
No.
Look as the dog helps his companion before it drowns.
I thought I can conquer the water.
It's very amusing how dogs are so intelligent.